Hello and welcome to the Cryptocurrency News channel. Well, we got some news today. Well, two pieces of news that I wanted to share. One is that Ripple is cashing out a third of its stake in Moneygram, and the other thing is Pizza Hut will now accept Bitcoins, but only in Venezuela, which is kind of weird. So, I guess they see Bitcoin as more stable than Venezuelan currency, which is probably true of everyone. So fast food chains like Burger King and Church's Chicken already accept crypto payments. By the way, I've never actually had Church's Chicken, so tell me how it is in this South American nation. And now Pizza Hut will actually accept Bitcoins. If I was Pizza Hut, I demand Bitcoin because I don't. No one wants the Venezuelan bolivar, and no one really wants the petrodollar either. A famous US-based pizza chain has begun accepting cryptocurrency payments in all stores in Venezuela, and we know that as Pizza Hut. According to a November 27th tweet from crypto services firm Crypto Buyer, Pizza Hut stores in the South American nation now accept crypto as a form of payment for food and drinks. The move follows the crypto firm partnering with Megasoft to drive adoption in Venezuela by facilitating crypto payments at more than 20,000 shops and businesses. Pizza Hut nowadays cannot be detached from these technological advances and all those incorporating new approaches for daily necessities, said Richard Alcori, General Director for Venezuelan operations of the pizza chain. In an interview with local news outlet Zioma, it is important that we accommodate young people, modern adults, and people technologically knowledgeable. Using Crypto Buyer, customers can purchase pizza at the restaurant chain with Bitcoin, Litecoin, Dash, Binance, Binance USD, Ether, Tether, DAI, and the native token XPT. Not really sure what the XPT actually is. Pizza Hut has locations in the capital Caracas as well as cities of Maracay, Maracaibo, and Barquisimeto. I'm pretty sure I've pronounced some of those wrong. So Venezuela, fully functional Pizza Hut, accepting Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. Crypto has another use case, and like I said, these developing countries are definitely going to be the first to actually accept cryptocurrencies. The other thing is Ripple has sold out of a third of its stake in Surging MoneyGram. We know that Ripple bought something like 10% of the company. It's now sold out 30% of that 10%, or about 3% stake. And it's selling basically one third of its stake in MoneyGram in its first such sale of company stock since the startup invested in the remittance giant in 2019. And MoneyGram's not so much of a giant anymore. It's kind of shrunk a lot. According to a U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission filing on Friday, Ripple owns 6.22 million shares of MoneyGram, or 8.6% of shares outstanding, plus a warrant to buy up another 5.95 million shares for a total equity position of up to 12.2 million shares, or 17% of MoneyGram's shares outstanding. They actually haven't bought the other shares yet, but they probably will exercise that option. Ripple is now selling up to 4 million shares, or approximately 33.3% of their entire stake. If you count the shares represented by the warrant, after the sale, Ripple will still own at least 3.22 million shares, or 4.44% of MoneyGram, when including the additional shares represented by the warrant, which gives Ripple the right to execute a stock buy at a predetermined price. The blockchain payments firm will still own about 11% of MoneyGram. So they'll still own a lot of MoneyGram, but they are selling out. Now, the thing is, like, they might just be selling out to take profit because MoneyGram was very, very cheap. Well, Ripple actually bought it at like $4, I believe, and now it's above $4, so they just might be cashing out for some cash. Or, like, there's something gone awry with the partnership and now they're trying to exit the position. I'm not really sure which one it is, but I thought it was going pretty well because Ripple was just basically paying MoneyGram to actually use XRP, and that would be its use case. Maybe they're moving on to something else. Maybe they have another client. I'm not really sure. Or they could just be cashing out because of the appreciation of the stock. But like, they only invested last year, so it'd be kind of like a really, really, it'd be really like a quick in and out, which is, I find, kind of weird. Probably something like a little bit weird with the partnership, or they've moved on to something else. Not really sure. But that is the news for today. Let me know what you think. Like and subscribe, and hit that bell notifications button. Thank you, and have a nice day.